Are you looking for a professional image text editing service that delivers clean, accurate, and visually polished results? Welcome to our professional image editing service, where we help you edit, replace, correct, and improve text inside images while maintaining a natural and professional appearance. Text inside an image can sometimes contain spelling mistakes, outdated information, incorrect details, or formatting issues. In other situations, you may simply want to update existing text while keeping the original design and visual style. That is where our image text editing service can help. We carefully work with your images to edit existing text while paying attention to important visual details such as font style, font size, spacing, alignment, color, background, shadows, and overall layout. Our goal is to make every legitimate edit look clean, consistent, and professionally integrated with the original image. We can assist with text editing for promotional graphics, advertisements, posters, banners, flyers, menus, product images, social media graphics, business materials, presentation graphics, and many other types of non-sensitive visual content. Have a spelling mistake in a design? Need to update a date, title, price, product description, contact detail, or promotional message? Want to replace old text with new information? No problem. We focus on precision and visual consistency so the updated text fits naturally with the surrounding design. We can also help improve text placement, typography, alignment, spacing, readability, and overall presentation when necessary. Every project is handled according to the requirements of the image. Whether you need a simple text correction or multiple text updates across several images, the objective remains the same: clean editing and professional-looking results. High-quality image editing is about more than simply removing one piece of text and adding another. The surrounding background, texture, lighting, perspective, and design elements may also need careful attention. That is why we focus on the small details that can make a big difference in the final result. Our image text editing service is intended for legitimate creative, personal, and business purposes. We do not assist with deceptive alterations of official documents, identification, financial records, or other sensitive materials. If you have a regular image, graphic, advertisement, poster, product photo, or marketing design that needs professional text editing, we are ready to help. Simply provide your image along with clear instructions about what text needs to be changed and what you would like it replaced with. Give your images a cleaner, updated, and more professional appearance with our image text editing service. Contact us today and let us transform your image text with precision, consistency, and professional attention to detail.